Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1984 Chevy El Camino. Of course, you know we recently just took in a 1985 Chevy El Camino in a fine black two-tone, but of course everybody has their own preference on what they want. Going to the one we have here featuring a beautiful white exterior. Of course, you know white is one of the common colors, hard to really see what's in the paint, but as you can see, it's a beautiful flawless paint job with the cool gold stripe coming along the hood. Even so, with that 2-inch cowl induction hood, you can see the true performance within the El Camino. Even so, the El Camino is not just a pickup truck, but a fine automobile as well. Even for its wheels, you will see we have the newer style torque wheels with the black wall style Nexon tires. And even so, looking in that bed right there, you can see you have a lot of room for friends, packages, or anything else you'd want to shove back there. But as we look on the inside, you will see we have a fine automatic on the column. It does have the tilt column. It does have an aftermarket wooden 3-spoke wheel. Being a single cab, you could always fit 3 to 4 people on the front seat. But as that fine burgundy interior really does take you away, you can take a look at how comfy it is, how beautiful it looks. Even so, with the lap belts, it is a beautiful sight to see. But as for our instrument cluster, you will see we have the newer style Dakota digital dash. Everything accurate that it was back in the day, and we can all agree on that. But as we look at it more, you will see we have an updated audio sound system, Kenwood with built-in CD and possibly even Bluetooth. But as for that, you will see we have our AC controls, AC vents, our warning lights, and all that fun stuff, which actually are clear right now. But even so, you will see we have our manual style mirror from the driver panel. We have both electric windows, driver and passenger side, followed by the power locks. But that's not it. Let's get on to the engine bay featuring that small block Chevy 350 small block, as you can see, with the Holly carb. It does have power steering, it does have power brakes. Even so, right now as we demonstrate for you, we can even tell you it does have the factory style AC. But even so, it is a beautiful little ride with the dual exhaust system, and even so, front wheel disc brakes and rear drum. Now even so, we can open it up for you right before we end our video, let you hear how good it sounds coming from the sides. We got a beautiful shift pattern right there. Definitely the way you want to do in the Chevy El Camino. But as for now though, we are just going to get safely turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.